A consulting agreement turns on four clauses: scope, pay, ownership, and termination. Start with the parties, date, and independent contractor status before you draft the service terms. The scope clause should be measurable and flexible. Spell out deliverables, written approval, and extra work limits. Payment language should answer when, how, and for what the consultant gets paid. Tie payment to invoices, deadline, and expense approval. Ownership should cover drafts, deliverables, and underlying materials. Use work made for hire plus assignment, then carve out pre-existing tools. Termination should set notice and surviving obligations. Give both sides an exit and preserve payment for work already done. Replace vague words with an exhibit, a rate, and a payment deadline. Treat the agreement like a project map: who does what, when it is due, and who owns the result. If you want a head start, LexDraft can draft the first pass while you refine the terms. LexDraft helps you draft faster